Last week I was worried about a layoff. I just got off a call with my director today. Guess who still has a job? Me! Yay! I'm relieved for sure. Uh, as y'all know, I'm working a part time contract job, and I was like, please don't fire me. I was like, please don't make me look for a real job, a real 9 to 5. So, for right now, we still have work. I'm getting a new contract that hasn't come in yet. So I'm waiting for that. I'm excited for that. It does look like there is a chance that I'll have less work coming to me, which fucking sucks, but whatever. It's still enough money to cover my living. I'm not worried about it. They're gonna keep paying me. I'm gonna just live this semi sabbatical period out. 6 months ago, I was pushing numbers. I was opening accounts for clients. I was working in wealth management. Now I get to talk to people via camera and get paid for it. Like, what the fuck? Because so little people get to be creative and get paid for it. Like, I feel like I've hit the lottery. Not the lottery because, like, money's not that great right now. Like, hours are limited, but I'm still quite happy. All right. Once I get that contract and I have a little bit more information, I will give y'all an update. For now, good night.